These are my notebooks that I've created using Evernote. I'm going to start with Garden Design Projects, which has 9 notes. As you can see, I have added a number of different websites, articles, I've bookmarked some pages, I've also added some images. I've used the annotate function to point out that this is the particular part of the image that I liked most. We'll scroll down to another image where I've used the text box to know why it is that I chose to point out this picture, as well as using another shape to point out something about this picture that I liked. I also use tags on each of my notes so that I can organize them based on topic. Okay, and the same thing with this photo. I've used the text box as well as the highlighting feature to point out what I want to remember, and I have tagged it as tomatoes, as this is a tomato trellis. Going back to notebooks, I'm going to take a look at my 560 Final Project folder. There are a number of different tools or notes that I've added here. I have used the highlight feature to point out some important information from the article. Same thing with this article that I've saved. I've used the highlighter to point out important information. Just like the last notebook, I have tagged each article based on what it's related to. In addition to highlighting, I have also used the annotation feature to make notes of some things that I want to go back and remember to do when I review this blog. So to add a new note to Evernote is quite simple. I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to briefly just search garden. And I'm going to go to gardeners.com, the first one that came up. And to add a new note, you simply choose the Evernote icon that you have saved to your extensions. I'm going to leave it as a bookmark. I'm going to add it to my garden design projects. I'm going to change my tag to just garden and save clip.